Take a ride in the 2023 X3. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find lane departure warning, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, cargo net. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.